Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best American flag pole is probably one of the most significant investments you can make for your home, symbolizing pride and patriotism, and choosing the right one ensures it stands tall and endures through all seasons, becoming a lasting emblem of your values and a beautiful addition to your property's curb appeal. Number 5. USA Heavy Duty Outdoor Nylon American Flag 3x5. Show your patriotic spirit with this premium quality American flag. It's 100% made in the USA, ensuring authenticity and supporting domestic craftsmanship. Crafted from heavyweight, fade-resistant nylon, this flag is built to withstand the elements. Its superior construction ensures it stays vibrant and durable, even in high winds. Featuring beautifully embroidered stars and securely sewn stripes, this flag boasts exceptional detail. The dense thread count and double stitching add to its robust design. The fly end is quadruple stitched for extra strength, preventing fraying and ensuring longevity. Strong brass grommets provide secure and reliable mounting options. This versatile 3x5 flag is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It's perfect for mounting on flagpoles, walls, or as a banner, offering great visibility. This flag makes an excellent gift for veterans, military families, and anyone who cherishes American pride. It's an investment in quality and authentic American craftsmanship. What we like. This flag is crafted with 100% domestically sourced nylon for superior durability. It features intricately embroidered stars and sewn stripes, ensuring it looks great for years. If you're looking for a flag that is as resilient as it is beautiful, and want to support American manufacturing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The flag pole is made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship and supporting domestic manufacturing. It features a durable design that can withstand various weather conditions, keeping the flag securely in place. The installation process is straightforward, allowing for quick and easy setup without the need for specialized tools. Number 4. Windstrong 25-foot heavy-duty residential flag pole set. Discover the ultimate flag pole solution. Built for durability and designed to impress, it's perfect for any setting. Crafted with superior strength and quality, this flagpole is proudly made in the USA. It's engineered to withstand the elements. This comprehensive set includes a vibrant 4x6-foot nylon flag, featuring beautifully sewn stars and stripes. It's ready to fly right out of the box. Experience exceptional resilience with its extra strong, reinforced construction. The tapered design ensures stability and longevity. We stand by our product's quality. Enjoy peace of mind with an included 5-year warranty on this exceptional flagpole. Whether for your home, business, or government building, it provides a distinguished display. It's the perfect choice for a proud presentation. What we like. This complete set offers a robust 25-foot sectional flagpole designed for strength and ease of assembly. It includes a commercial-grade, fully sewn 4x6-foot nylon flag, also made in the USA. If you need a reliable and complete flagpole solution for your business, government building, or residence, this set provides excellent value and peace of mind with its warranty. What people say. The flagpole is made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship and supporting domestic manufacturing. It is constructed from durable aluminum, making it resistant to rust and corrosion, thus ensuring a long lifespan. The telescoping design allows for easy adjustment of the flag height, accommodating different flag sizes and wind conditions. Number 3. 30-foot heavy-duty flag pole kit, True Glory Edition. Crafted from robust 11-gauge aluminum, this pole is significantly stronger than standard options. It's built to endure harsh weather, ensuring your flag flies proudly for years to come. Featuring an anti-break ring design at critical joints, it minimizes the risk of bending or breaking. This ensures your flag remains proudly displayed, even in challenging conditions. Independently tested to withstand winds up to 120 miles per hour, it remains steadfast through storms and extreme weather. You can rely on its strength without worry of bending or breaking. Made with aluminum rated for exceptional hardness, it offers enhanced strength and stability. Experience reliable performance from a truly durable pole. Its wider base diameter provides superior resistance to high winds, while the sleek tapered design adds a touch of elegance. It's designed for both strength and visual appeal. Presented in a premium gift box, this kit makes a thoughtful present for any patriot. It includes everything needed for quick setup, including an embroidered USA flag. What we like. Engineered with extra-strong 11-gauge rust-resistant aluminum, this flagpole is built to endure extreme weather, tested up to 120 miles per hour. Its reinforced design reduces the risk of bending or breaking. If you live in an area prone to high winds or want the flexibility to fly two flags, this heavy-duty option offers exceptional durability and a sleek look. What people say. This flagpole is made in the USA, which is a great feature for those who want to support domestic manufacturing. The flagpole is designed to be sturdy and durable, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. It features a simple yet effective design that makes it easy to install and use, even for those with limited DIY experience. Number 2. 25-foot heavy-duty aluminum flagpole kit. Crafted from thicker, rust-proof 13-gauge aluminum, this flagpole is built to last. It's stronger and more durable than standard options, ensuring it stands tall through the seasons. Featuring a heavy-duty, reinforced design, it offers exceptional stability and wind resistance. You can trust it to hold your flag steady, even in challenging weather conditions. Tested to withstand winds up to 90 miles per hour, this flagpole ensures your flag flies proudly without compromise. It's designed for reliable performance in tough conditions. This complete kit comes with a premium USA flag and all the necessary hardware for a hassle-free setup. You'll have everything you need to fly your flags with ease. It makes a thoughtful gift for any patriotic occasion, honoring service and pride. Perfect for fathers, husbands, or veterans, it's a symbol of respect and remembrance. With superior hardness and a reinforced structure, it offers exceptional stability and long-lasting durability. This flagpole is a reliable choice for both residential and commercial use. What we like. Constructed from thicker 13-gauge rust-proof aluminum with superior hardness, this flagpole is designed for long-lasting stability and wind resistance up to 90 miles per hour. It comes as a complete kit, including a premium USA flag. If you're seeking a durable, all-weather flagpole for your home or business that offers great stability and comes with everything you need for setup, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The flagpole is made in the USA, ensuring quality craftsmanship and supporting domestic manufacturing. It is designed to be sturdy and durable, capable of withstanding various weather conditions. The installation process is straightforward, making it easy for homeowners to set up their flagpole without professional assistance. Number 1. 20-foot heavy-duty flagpole kit. Introducing our heavy-duty flagpole, engineered for exceptional strength and stability. Its robust construction is designed to withstand the elements, ensuring it stands tall through any weather. Showcase your American pride with the included premium embroidered flag. Its detailed stitching and fade-resistant fabric ensure a beautiful display, and the dual flag capability allows for even greater expression. Crafted from durable aluminum with a sleek black finish, this flagpole offers superior corrosion resistance. It's built for long-lasting outdoor use, maintaining its elegant appearance year after year. Everything you need for a perfect display is included in this comprehensive kit. From the pole sections and flag to the mounting hardware and protective sleeve, setup is simple and straightforward. We are committed to your satisfaction with this product. Enjoy a worry-free purchase with our dedicated customer service and robust warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like. This 20-foot flagpole is built with 14-gauge tapered aluminum and tested for winds up to 100 miles per hour, offering excellent strength and stability. It includes a beautifully embroidered 3x5 American flag and supports dual flag displays. If you desire a strong, corrosion-resistant flagpole with a sleek black finish that can fly two flags and comes with a comprehensive kit, this is an ideal choice for your yard. What people say. This flagpole is made in the USA, which is a great feature for those who want to support domestic products. The flagpole is designed to be sturdy and durable, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. It is easy to assemble and install, making it a convenient option for homeowners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.